Welcome, finally. My name's Brian Knight and I live near Melbourne in Australia, and it's 5:12 a.m. now on a Wednesday for me. Welcome, Darren and Tom. Thank you, Darren, for passing on that video, and that I'll see how I go today. It was a bit.
Well, I'd set it up. I tried to, based on the Petco's last video. From what I could see from the video, he didn't really go through his settings. I thought I got what it looked about right, and then started opening positions, but there were different lot sizes. So I closed them for a very small profit. I thought that's not how he demonstrated. He showed just lot sizes staying the same. So I got that wrong. So then I found a slightly older video where he went into a bit more depth settings. So managed to copy those, and uh, two or three trades have opened and closed, all the same
Already.
size. So let me just have a look. Certainly a couple of them. So it seems to be working now.
So you didn't use the set file. You
Well,
basically,
ignore the set files.
okay,
Um, just default, and I just went through
changed.
his worked my way through his settings as he scrolled down. Obviously, slowed it down and screenshotted bit by bit, and just literally copied his settings in that video. So,
Okay.
but yeah, so there we go. Well, we've had a winning trade anyway since then, and there's two more positions opened, and they're all the same lot size. So that seems
Okay.
to be working now, and the correct lot size as well for the size of the account.
For the
So
size of the account. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Lovely. All right, then. Well, I'll go through that later this morning then
yeah.
for me. Thank you for that. Um, yeah, well, I think I've got a couple of three. I think I've got three EAs at the moment, but I haven't installed any of them because I just haven't had the time to do
Yeah.
it. So we'll get to that. Hopefully, some of it. You just got to, for me, you just got to set aside the time
Yeah, you
to
do,
actually
yeah.
do each one properly. And okay, let's share this to start with before we. So, welcome to the Live FOREX analysis session. Please note that any trades discussed in this group or EAs or whatever we're doing are to be classed as educational only. We're a group of people helping each other and we're not financial advisors. So, please only take trades you're happy to take based on your own analysis. There is risk associated with this, so there is a full risk disclosure. A little bit about us as live session traders. Okay. Yeah. So, I think what have I got? Infinity. Um, that. Eternals and what was the other one? Um, I can't remember now. Anyway, Eternals and another. Oh, what is that other one? Anyway,
Europe stable. No.
yeah, Euro stable. That's
Yeah.
it. Thank you. So I'll play with all those three. Um, okay, let's go look at the pairs at the moment. Now this is you're on your end of your Tuesday now. Tom and Darren's in his evening of his Tuesday. And Tom, where are you? You're in the midday or something, or wherever.
Yeah, it's lunchtime here.
Lunchtime there.
Yep.
Yeah, okay, on Tuesday. Rightio. Can you see my trading view?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, lovely. All right. You're a CAD. It looks like we've got well, it seems to be a bit of a turn on at the moment, so that's good. Sell stop in place. Um, it hasn't quite triggered me in yet, so we'll see what happens. Um, hmm, Hopefully at changeover, we'll see where it goes. So there is this these couple of bits of news. Oh, inflation came in at 1.9. Wow, below the forecast, and they're looking like they're going to lower interest rates. So whatever that news is this week, it's going to sort of make potentially some move on that CAD in relation to anything that it's with. So rightio, and all these AUDs are all sort of been powering ahead. We're just now looking at that pullback on them. All right, that's the AUD CHF back. And then I'm looking for the buy out of there for a longer term sort of buy. Okay. And are you in any of these, Tom, at all? The AUDs?
No, I'm not in any of those.
Oh wow. Okay. What about AUDJPY? Looks like it's going to do a potentially dance around. So not very interested in this at the moment. AUDNZD. Oh, looks like it's pulling back a bit.
A little bit, yeah, but
Not enough.
no, not yet.
You don't sound hopeful, Darren.
No, to be honest, I've got bigger concerns than AUDNZD, as you'll come to
Oh,
soon.
not sharpshooter.
No,
Oh,
Euro USD on Proctor, FX Proctor.
oh, yeah, extra. That's right.
Yeah.
God. Okay, we'll get to see. All right, yeah. AUDNZD. That's on which EA is that on again?
Titan, Dark
Oh,
Titan.
Dark Titan. Yeah, sorry. I can't remember. You got a few of them.
Yeah.
Okay. AUD Singapore. And that isn't ready to pull back as yet. Um, right. And AUD USD. Now, that also too, it's like AUD CAD. I'm waiting for, like at the end of the week, it did this, and now it's pushing back up again. Um, is it this, Tom, is it this week the US's rate decision? There's no news down here, so I don't know.
Uh,
Yes, it is tomorrow
Why is it not showing up as a
at
news?
7 p.m. UK time.
It's not showing up as a US news on on the, hang
It's on
on.
Trading View. I'm looking at it now.
Are you? I don't have it here, so I don't know why it's not.
Yeah.
oh, it's in your settings.
Have I mucked it up or something, man? There was news on some of the others. Okay.
Hmm. No, mine
It's,
shows it.
shows it? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, well, we'll see. Yeah, I'll play around with it later. It's all right. We'll see the other. What we got? Euro
That's
US.
tomorrow at noon,
Yeah,
11:30 a.m.
yeah. There we go. That's it. Interest rate decision. Yeah,
Oh boy.
7 o'clock at night. UK time. Is
UK
that
time.
correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And FOMC. Oh my gosh, same time. Economic projections. Fed conference half hour later. Oh my gosh. Okay. That's going to go crazy. All right. So it's just not showing up on the, oh, now it is. Oh, God. Okay. Doesn't matter. All right. Yeah. Well, I would say at that point, it's either going to shoot further and then pull back. I mean, this is quite a substantial push up. There'll need to be a pullback. So, um, still wait for the news and then we'll see what I do on that, whether I get into a sell stop onto it or put in some sort of a sell stop. Okay, CAD CHF. You still in that sell, Tom?
No,
Oh, okay,
no,
okay. That's all right. No, it's been pushing down nicely.
no. I'm waiting for the pullback here. I'm looking for it to pull back up to these gold bars across the bottom,
Yeah. Okay.
and then I'll take the sell out.
Right. Fair enough. Very patient gentleman now. Okay. KJPY.
And
Okay.
if the rates are going to change,
Yeah.
this is going to that CAD CHF is going to have a nice pullback,
Yeah. And then drop off.
and then maybe even a hard drop off.
Oh, okay. Well, and you got KJPY as well. It's saying
Yeah,
there's going to be
exactly. Look
a
at that.
hard drop off as well. At the moment, it's on its way down already.
Right.
Are they having the rate decision at the same time? No. 17th at 2:45 UK time. That's 17th. And then US is, oh, well, it is. It's the same day. It's just a bit later. So you got Canada, then you got US. Okay. Well, that's going to be a bit volatile, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Unless, like you say, Darren, before, if it's already factored in, it's already, the market's already doing its thing. Okay. CHF and it's marching off at the moment. But this is all saying we're going to get pullbacks on this. Look how it's broken past here, pushing up a little bit. At some point, we're going to get a gold here and then start the sell out. Now, we don't get to see, there are two international banks. There's the Swiss bank and New Zealand that don't come up with any news in TradingView. No, let's see. Calendar. You haven't looked at this in a while. CPI's coming. Oh, that come out at o'clock today. What else? Canada, US. So there's nothing in there that I can see that is GDP New Zealand, employment. Okay. No. Okay, so there's nothing there. And then it's Japan. Okay. Well, no New Zealand and no Swiss franc. Okay. Mm. Now euros, Euro AUD. Oh, that's pushed up nicely, isn't it? Okay. See how that's gonna pick up a bit. So it's obviously the AUD is going to start to pull down, and Euro is going to get a bit stronger in relation to just those two pairs anyway. Euro CAD. Yep, Euro's taking off. Oh, for me, though, I'm looking for a longer term sort of push back down, but it is uptrending though. So probably better getting into that. Oh, look at that. That's quite substantial, isn't it? 112 pip move. Again, on a Tuesday, Tom.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah. Euro CHF. Now, it's not though, so because they're on the same sort of part of the world, I suppose. It's It is dancing around sideways. You're waiting for that sell out for the buy up.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Still waiting. Euro GBP. Wow, that was a good push up too. Broken there. Probably worthwhile looking at that for a buy in there. Okay. I will take a look. Euro JPY. That's gonna, I don't know, look at that. We've got daily going up and this doing a bit of a chop around. That doesn't give me much confidence. Look at it go though. Been buying, isn't it? We've come to some sort of a bit of a stalemate here though, across here. If it breaks through there, it will pull back a bit. All right, Euro NZD. All the euros have jumped off, haven't they? All right. Well, they're having their time now. Euro Singapore. It's like it all turns, isn't it? It's just how the market turns. AUD's shooting off and the euro's pulling back, and then all of a sudden it flips the other way. The Aussie dollar starts coming off, and then the euro shoots off. All have their time. All right, Euro Singapore also taken off there. Okay, now Euro USD. Ooh,
I'm in this.
yeah, you're in the buy. So this is where Proctor's got you in a bit of a
Oh
bind,
yeah,
Darren.
yeah. It's over 20% and drawdown now.
Oh,
It's
well, does it?
this was the very aggressive martingale.
Oh, okay, it is a martingale.
It's
Okay,
scaling up the lot sizes. It's what do I do?
yeah. Yeah, the old saying, isn't it? Better off being out of a trade than in a trade wishing you're out of a trade. But that's what happens with EAs, isn't it?
Oh yeah, particularly the
They're
martingale
automatic.
ones. Yeah, I mean, I'm probably going to gradually move away from these and just go with the sort of grid, the
Yeah.
non-martingale grid systems. But
Mm.
um, yeah, if I just closed everything now, for example, that would I'd go from being 13% up to sort of or 12% up to about 12% down in one.
Down, yeah. Yeah, it's a hard choice, isn't it?
It is really.
Do you go, okay? I mean, yeah. It looks like it's got the potential to pull back there.
Oh yeah, it definitely has. That's the thing. How far it would, if it does, how far would it?
How far is it going to go before it does pull back?
You know,
Did you find what the fail safe was in it, or?
well, this is where it gets a bit slightly confusing because
Oh,
I don't know. I'd been perhaps not been looking closely enough, but when you're on your looking on your MT4
on your
on
phone?
mobile,
Yeah,
and when a trade's approaching stop loss, it flashes up red, doesn't it?
yeah.
Flashes, well, they were all flashing up red. I thought, oh shit, what's going on? So it was obviously within 10 pips and stopped out, but it was nowhere near. Well, it wasn't. It wasn't at the 25% that I sort of assumed it would. So I'm slightly confused.
Oh, it's got a hard stop at 25%, has it?
Well, that's what I thought, but this wasn't at 25%. I mean,
Well,
what I did, cut a long story short, I then turned off the what's it called? I'll tell you.
Yeah.
Rather than just taking the hit, then I turned off the
In the NT4 or 5
no, I went into the
settings.
yeah, turned off the drawdown control.
Okay, right. Yeah.
So that's a
Okay.
false. If I
Yeah.
leave it like that now, it will just keep doing what it's doing, and you just hope it'll eventually
Turn.
turn. So I sort of did that. I started to think about, is there another? I don't really want any more positions opening, any more sell positions. So I am sort of toying with the idea of trying to manage it myself now, and I don't know whether that's going to be a good idea or not.
Wow.
So maybe turn off the EA. So these positions are all set now
With TPs.
with TPs. Turn it off.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
It doesn't open any more positions, particularly with the interest rate
Yeah. Decision.
tomorrow.
Yeah, yeah.
Um, or do I maybe combine that with a bit of hedging? I don't know.
Yeah. Trade sells against them.
Yeah. Well,
That's what I've
we're in cells now, but concern is if it pushes high. Do I?
oh, you get some buys, yeah.
Do I put a buy stop in? If it's going to continue up, and I don't know. I'm trying to get my head around that really. See if there's a
So if I can ask, if that's you don't have to,
yeah.
but
Carry on.
what is the current lot size that it's taken, the last lot size in a cell?
Right, the last. Well, put it this way, it's almost well, not quite. It's not quite doubling up, so it's gone. The current lot size for the cell is 0.72.
Okay. Yeah.
So just today, it's scaled up rapidly.
Yeah. Oh, no, no, no.
So it's gone
Yeah, well,
0.24, then 0.42, and then 0.72.
yeah, because of how far it's moved. It's moved 100 pips
Yeah,
or over 100 pips. That's why. Yeah, 0.7. Wow. That's
I mean that last position
again,
is
it's all relative
slightly
to
profit at the minute. Yeah,
yeah, it's all relative to the actual trade
yeah.
to the account size, but that's not yeah. So if you're going to hedge them, you got to take buys at sort of one lot size, and the account just depends on your margin and what your leverage is on the account.
I can hedge. There's nothing stopping me doing it. I've done it before.
No, I know that. Yeah, yeah, I've done
So
it before too. Don't worry.
I mean, it would.
I've hedged against it.
I mean, it would improve. It would actually increase. It would improve my. It would actually free up more margin if I did that. But that's
Correct.
not really what I'm concerned about. I'm more concerned about. Well, is there a way of managing my way out of it without sort of just losing all that
Yeah, yeah,
profit?
yeah, 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 yeah. No, absolutely.
And then where would I put? Maybe put a buy stop in. Where would I put it? That's the other question.
Oh well.
Just don't want to dive into a buy and it just falls away like
Yeah, yeah, because of the economic news. Yeah.
yeah.
Well, the choice is absolutely yours, Darren, isn't it? I
It
mean,
is.
it's
It is indeed.
the situation is if whether you do a market execution, but then you're about to go to sleep in whatever shorter period of time. It's
Yeah.
in your evening, so you can't really monitor it for any
So I'll do
put.
it just stop it opening any more positions and then see where we are tomorrow.
Yeah, the further it
Mm.
pushes up, though, it will it will the problem well not sorry not well correct, that's probably a good thing to do, but the point is it will maintain the TP at a much lower point.
Well, it will. It's the dilemma.
Yeah, yeah, and then you're gonna end up, if you are going to manage it, then you've got to then hedge it up and hedge it up and then it will maintain the TP at a lower point. So you've got to wait for it to actually come back to that lower TP point because it sets all of the TPs at that lower at the one point, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, well, that's what I'm used to. Um,
I mean,
yes.
the TP is at 1.17542. So again, it's not far
It's not
off.
that far. No, no. If it pulls back
Sort
like
of
that,
it's
if
sort of
it
at the
pulls,
bottom. It's back to where it started,
yeah,
beginning of
yeah,
today's session.
yeah, yeah,
Essentially,
yeah. And if it does come back to that level, then bingo, bango, you're back out. But it hasn't allowed for that to occur. And if it pushes up much higher, because this can change. I mean, what it's saying over here on the daily of this is that it's come to a point and potentially pull back. But you can't trust any of this.
no, that can change at any time. Yeah.
And this can pull back up and then pull back a little bit, not quite make it back here, and then shoot off again, which I've seen it happen plenty of times. So sorry to see you in that situation, but this is part of the learning curve that goes with it, and
Yeah.
how you manually trade your EAs out, which I've done in the past. I've had martingales as well, and I've had to hedge them, and then that's it.
I mean,
You breathe, you
this was
breathe a
not
sigh of relief.
this was what not one. It is on the EA Academy. It is on in the 100K account, but it's not one I've ever seen any reviews or videos. So I got into this before I'd even
Yeah,
found out
yeah.
about the EA Academy. So this was before all that. Probably now it wouldn't even be on the radar to choose it now because it's not one that they're sort of actively sort of testing and churning out YouTube videos on. But I've got it now, so I've got to.
Mm.
Once I am out of these positions, then I'll be scaling the account size down. That was already my plan anyway. Move some funds out of it,
Mm.
reduce
Mm.
the lot sizes right down, and run it.
Can you run it as a grid without martingale, or?
You can't with this. That's the other thing. There's not much flexibility in the
Oh, there
setting.
isn't. Okay. Oh, okay.
Uh,
Right.
what you can do is turn your drawdown control on or off, set it to true or false.
Yeah, that's
Instead of
it.
having the automated lot size, you can change those to fit, to your own lot size. Your starting lot,
Yeah,
so you
yeah,
can
yeah,
change
yeah.
that.
Yep.
Uh,
But you can't close off the martingale. Yeah. Well, I've had situations where I've had martingales going and I've been hedging against, and then the margin it starts getting margin call on it. Then I've had
yeah.
to add more money into the account, and it's like
Well, I mean
chasing your tail.
that's the other thing. Do I? That was another thought. Stop it opening any more trades. So
Mm.
positions as they are. You've got the TP. Uh, Maybe put some more money in the account,
And just let it go.
so it's got a lot more room, and just see how it goes. But then, of course, you're risking more money, aren't you? If you just
Yeah,
keep
yeah, yeah,
going and
yeah,
going
yeah.
and going.
It's all about risk management.
Yeah.
But you're right, it's interesting. Okay, well,
But
I think
if I put a buy position on, that would mitigate the risk. But then you're sort of stuck in it, then, aren't you?
yeah, well, yes,
You're
yes,
not
but at
really.
least but at least at that point, what you do is you're actively sort of having input into it and actively working the system. So I mean, I've done it in the past. I mean, but you just
if I
got to
may say
monitor it though.
something,
Here you go, Tom.
I would just disagree with that. Don't start monitoring the EAs as though you're going to run them, because you're just trading at that point, but letting the computer make decisions to start or stop, but you're still trading it. Either you trust that EA and leave the settings alone and take the hit when you get the hit, or you don't trust it at all.
Yeah. No, you're right. No, you're right. I mean, I probably don't trust it now. That's the thing. So it was one of the first ones, and as I fairly quickly realised it was getting in and out of drawdown quite a lot. It's profitable, but it's been in 10% drawdown to a couple of times already.
I will also add to this that I see the same thing you guys are seeing on the charts now.
Yeah.
But everything my charts say is this is buying up to the 88 on the higher time frame.
Yeah.
So I don't know if it's truly going to come back down on the 2 hour like this, or if it's just going to bob here for a minute and take off again. That's why I'm in it.
The weekly saying is supposed to come back, but it's pushed up.
And as you know, those green lines change.
Yeah.
Markets change, they change with it.
Yeah, and the daily saying it's going to pull back. Anyway. And then also you got the 2 hour doing its like this is what happens. It's going to push up further potentially, and what it'll do is it'll margin call all these martingales, and then it'll just drop off. I mean, it's I've seen it happen plenty of times.
Yeah.
Again,
wipe everybody out that got in.
Yeah. That's what
and
it
then
does.
Take off again.
Yeah. And then
exactly.
Yeah.
But as of right now, I'm outside my box.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
So
totally.
either it's going to keep going outside that box.
Yeah. Or it's going to pull back into the
halfway point.
Yeah, back into here, which is where it'll profit back, where you'll profit out.
Yeah, well, the TP is at the bottom of the daily candle, today's daily candle.
Yeah, down here.
Bang on right there.
Oh, sorry, there.
No, higher than that. Sorry, what time frame's there?
That's on the 2 hour, but it's 2 hour with Renko though. So yeah,
no, on the not the Renko, the chart. That's the daily, isn't it?
Oh yeah, it's back here.
So you got to there, yeah. That's where the TP is.
1.175. Yeah, it's back here. It just basically took off instead of coming back. And for a big push like that, but you see here, you get a big push and then it's push. And this could just push further up. I'm not saying it will or won't, but I'm just...
It could do. Yeah, of course it could. It'll probably pull back at least part way down that candle, but may not come very far, and then take off again tomorrow.
Yeah. And that's where you have your heart and your hands sort of going on, So what Tom says is true. I mean, if you trust it, well, I think what I'm hearing is you don't necessarily trust this. So that's the issue more than anything. So
yeah, probably should have started spreading my money a bit sooner. Well, it could only go as fast as it was.
Yeah, but also too, it's all about experience and sort of have like you've got a broad sort of spread now of EAs. So, I mean, I think we were saying, and I think Tom said too, I mean, you have, say, 10 or something, and you find that 2 of them are really not suited and don't work, or you haven't found a way to get them to work the way you want them to. So you dump them out. Like even, what did someone say? Just because you have invested in something doesn't mean you need to keep hitting your head against a brick wall with whatever it is.
No, absolutely not.
So that investment that you did to purchase it doesn't mean you have to actually keep using it if you find that it's
Cost of
not working for
education.
you. Yeah, absolutely. Well, this whole thing up to I keep having, education prices. That's right, Tom. Very, very, yeah. Anyway, so I hope it pulls back for you. Keep us informed of what your strategy might be. I mean, it becomes that sort of stressful situation on an account. But then again, you see, Darren, you've got other accounts that have got, 6%
Yeah.
profit
Oh,
and
yeah.
here
Yeah,
profit.
of
And
course.
it's
So,
like,
yeah.
well,
Yeah.
if this one has an issue, well, it's like, as Tom said, part of your cost of working out what's happening. So
I mean, at the end
I
of the
don't want to,
day,
I don't,
yeah,
yeah,
at the end of the day, look at its history. I think the biggest drawdown was having a look at before. It's so got it, the FX Proctor. Uh, there it is on my FX book. So
hmm,
so it's had quite a few drawdown problems since, as I've experienced since sort of end of May. Um, Prior to that, it wasn't very much. It was fairly smooth.
yeah.
And then
This is
all the
this
way,
is
you go
this
all the
is
way
him.
back to sort of early 24 when it sort of hit about, looks like about 30 odd percent drawdown recovered.
Well, but
So,
this could be just the orange guy influence. It's
well, yeah, that's it.
this is what happens.
It's instability all the time.
Yeah, yeah. That's probably why EA stable is pretty good. But then again, I mean, you don't have as much. It's all risk versus reward. Like there's higher risk, but you have, you know, better profits on it. And can you handle that risk? Can you handle yourself the anxiety of that risk to have that profit? And that's what lots of people go. I mean,
Yeah,
I'm more conservative. I'm going like, well, if I only get 1%, but I have very little drawdown, I'm fine with that
yeah.
because longer term is what. And look, all EAs will get stuck in something. All EAs. It's just
Okay, of course they do,
the
yeah.
the
And
nature of the
yeah,
beast, and the market changes and all happens. So
yeah.
anyway,
And I obviously knew that when I see I've just seen Dark Algo's now opened um, sell position, and we're only talking 0.01 lot size at the moment and 0.02 lot size. So
Euro
the
USD.
yeah, Euro USD. So all these EAs, other EAs, is taking sells now. So they all think it's going to drop, don't they? All the
Yeah.
EAs are starting to any Euro USD EAs are taking sells.
Well,
Well, that actually means anything because they're not human beings, but
no, but that's actually a relatively good sign if you've got consensus in a whole lot on different EAs with different sort of setups. They're seeing things occur that, yeah, yeah. That's Dark Algo that does USD and the AUD NZD, isn't it?
I mean the other thing. Sorry, I'm really taking up a bit too much of your time here
No,
now.
you're not. No. It's fine.
The other sort of hedging tactic is to put a buy on place buy trade, for example, on GU or something, or AU, not AU, but say GU,
Yeah.
um, as a hedge
Yeah.
on the
Of
same
course.
account
Yeah.
rather than on EU. Working on this sort of a basis that it's just sort of tend to do a similar thing that way. You wouldn't have to turn off the EA
Yeah. Yeah. True.
because I don't know. That was just another idea I had.
Yeah, but you realize, Darren, that everybody knows where your TP is, and they're
Well,
just
they do, don't they?
they're just going to play with you, mate. They're just going to bring it back within half a pip and then take it off again. It's like
Yeah.
that's just. And what you do is that when it comes within half a pip, you close them anyway. But you
Yeah.
got to be awake for that. And I've had times where I've been stuck in those, and I actually stay up in minority, and I'm sitting here falling asleep trying to follow them.
Yeah.
Anyway, funny, isn't it?
Yeah, I don't know. Don't know.
Just remember, it is only money. So
Yeah, absolutely.
in the end, and experience. Okay, GA. Let's go whipping through some of these. All right, here's the GBP starting to pull back up. Yeah. All right. Broken through. Up. Okay. So against the AD, it's a similar sort of thing as uh, Euro AUD, right? GBP CAD. Well, here we go.
I'm in this.
You in it for the sell?
Hmm.
Yeah, good stuff. Let's see what the news does, eh? Because you got unemployment rate coming 4 points. That's quite high, isn't it? Inflation rate for UK. Oh, yeah, geez, it's really cranking up, isn't it? Rate
That tomorrow,
decisions.
is that tomorrow as well? Yeah.
Uh inflation rate, yeah. No, yeah, tomorrow. Yeah, you're
Oh gosh,
tomorrow.
it's all happening,
Seven
isn't it?
o'clock in the morning.
It's going
And
to
I
be a
think Dad,
volatile day tomorrow.
correct, absolutely, for everyone. It's like, and then you got a rate decision later on the day after, on the 18th, midday. They're going to keep it on hold, so probably won't be a lot of movement for there. I think it's this stuff here. It's this it's the unemployment and inflation that's going to. This unemployment's what's pull it down. So like UK is not going to be going too well. Down she'll go. All right, GBP CHF probably. Oh, okay. Well, that's interesting. Okay. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's gonna. I mean, this is what we did here. Tom was saying that it'll come to this point and then come. It doesn't look like it's necessarily going to do that now. Okay, because things change. GJ, woo, pull back down. Look at the difference here. You got a sell out down to here, right? And you got this one saying it's going to buy back up.
I'm in the
Uh,
buy.
yeah. You think this will change, do you?
Yep.
Yeah, okay. GN. Same as this GA. You in the buy on that yet?
Now I'm waiting for this pullback to finish right here so I can get
Yeah.
into the short.
Oh, you reckon it's going to short out?
Uh-huh.
Ooh. I don't think so. I think this is like the GA. Anyway, that's okay. We'll see. You got the chance of jumping out anyway. GBP Singapore, I think we're going to sell out, but I'm waiting for a turn for it to come back. GU, oh, look at that, push up. All right, we're waiting for it to come back down again. So let's see if we get this is some similar as EURUSD, Darren.
Very
This
similar.
GU is, yeah, it's pushing up harder as well. You don't have any EAs that run GU?
Yeah, well, Infinity does, doesn't it?
Yeah, that's what I was about to. I was thinking in the back of my mind, but you haven't. You started that one?
I have,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah. That was the one I was
Okay.
talking about the settings earlier.
Has it taken
Petco. Yeah,
GU any GU trades?
it has. Right, this is the one where I thought I'd set it up correctly, and then it started placing trades today, and they're a bit all
Yeah.
over the place, the lot size. I
Yeah.
thought this isn't right. So
Yeah.
I managed to close them out for a small profit and turn the thing off. And when I had a chance, I had a relook at the settings, found that older video. I've copied those,
Mm.
and yeah, it seems quite active. So
Is it taking GU trades?
it's just GU. It's just on GU.
Oh, well, okay. Oh, it only is on GU. Okay.
Yeah, GU's the recommended pair. So
Mm.
it took one trade earlier that profited out. There's two more positions open at the minute. Sells again.
As it buys or sells?
Sells. She's taking sells at the moment.
Wow. So it reckons it's going to turn as well.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, there you go.
But a lot
You know
side,
what? This
a lot side
discussion,
the same.
this
That- that-
discussion might just all fall over tomorrow. You might just come on and go like, "Yes, I profited out 10% on that account." Oh, yeah. You never know, do you? Like that's the thing.
Still.
All right. Or you could maybe not come on and all we see
But
are
that's it. If I
tears.
don't show up tomorrow and you look on your trading view tomorrow morning, Brian, you can see EU's just taken off.
Oh no, I
I've
don't
gone to
want that.
ground.
I'd like it to pull back enough to be at a profit, and then anyway. Okay.
You know, if
Is
it
it?
pulls back halfway down that daily candle,
Yeah.
I will probably consider just closing the positions
Closing
out,
it out. Yeah. Okay.
taking a bit of a loss.
That's if you're awake.
Yeah, but
All
it's
right.
not going to do much movement overnight, is it? It's going to be tomorrow now.
Oh yes, tomorrow now.
And the
That's right.
action's
Yeah.
going
Yeah.
to be.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, no, you got the New York Open.
You mean the
Oh,
New
sorry,
York?
not New York. No, no, you've got, well, yeah, yeah, that's right. No, no, sorry.
It won't do a lot during the Asian session, I wouldn't
No,
say.
no, 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 that's right. It'll be just before and when London opens. That's what'll
Yeah, so
push
bit of
it
action
around.
then, and then.
Yeah, yeah.
But this
Yeah,
price is pushing up hard ahead of the interest rate decision, isn't it?
yeah, 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 yeah. So it'll either continue further on or it'll pull back significantly.
There's usually a bit of a manipulation going on when you get that hard push up before a decision.
Yeah, yeah.
It suggests to me they're getting ready to drop it before then potentially push it back up again or whatever they do with it.
Well, you can, yeah, let's hope that that's the way it's going to work for you.
Gosh, I'm driving
And,
myself nuts now thinking about
yeah,
it.
yeah, I know. Sorry. Maybe our discussion's not good. All right. I think sell out on this one. You anyway, NZDCHF. I haven't got into that trade, but it's coming back to get this and this, and then potentially, but it looks like it's going to potentially break down. Anyway, NZDJPY. Rightio, sell out on
I'm
that
in this
one.
one for the short.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Same. I haven't set up, but I need to sell stop on that one. And you? Now that's going to go a bit crazy, I reckon. See, look at them all pushing up against the US dollar. Fall off. Okay, wait for gold and then get into the sell. Singapore, Japanese yen, don't like it. UK. Now, where are you with this one, Tom? You still in the sell?
No, I am not in any of these at this moment.
USD CAD. I thought you were in your UK as a sell.
I probably was. I've gotten out of almost everything.
Okay,
Almost
right.
everything. Because
And
that news
your
news is going to shift everything.
is it? No, it's not UCAD for the Eternals. That's USD CHF, isn't it? Or
No, it's UCAD. UCAD.
it is. Okay,
That's a real no dramas EA, that one. You know, it's a game.
that's good.
Yeah, had another little win on it today. You know, just
Yeah,
keep plugging away.
lovely. All right.
Virtually no draws down on it. It's just
Yeah, I'm waiting for the pullback up for the buy. But anyway, we'll see how we go. Looks like it'll just come down, bounce off here. If it continues on, fair enough. But all right, USD CHF. Oh, time. Um, yeah. Oh, wow, look at the drop on that one. That's another what 100 pip drop, is it?
Mhm.
No, no. No, 80. Yeah. Pretty good though. There's a fair big movement today over the 24 hours. Okay, UJ, nah, that's got to wait anyway. USD and Singapore. Yeah, all these USDs, something's going to happen. Okay, look at gold push back up. How's your happy gold going, Darren? Is it taking buys?
It's not taking many trades, it isn't. Let's have a look today. So again, couple of limit sell
Buy limit.
there was a buy stop and a sell stop, both cancelled.
Okay.
Interestingly, Happy Forex is
Yeah.
up, and that's in a couple of sell positions on AU now. So all these EAs think that
EU's going to drop off.
AU,
Oh,
Euro,
AU.
USD, they're all going to drop off.
Okay.
They're all looking for the same thing.
Maybe they're all just hopeful.
Yeah.
Anyway, gold has pushed up crazy. I think this will pull back down. This has been such a good push, just like that was. And we've got here, maybe a bit more, but when that news hits, all right. And
By the
silver,
way, Happy Forex trades with pending orders. By the way, buy stop, sell limits, buy limits.
happy
Just
gold or happy
Happy
anything?
Forex.
Happy Forex does. Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. That silver is taken off. Geez, a lot of rockets being made up in Denmark. I can only guess anyway. Wow, this reckons it's going to take off Bitcoin. And I think it will too. We're going to have into buys on that. And oil. Well, oil's pulled up a little bit. What's happening? What? Oh, this is probably because, well, it wouldn't. If the interest rate gets lowered in the US, I suppose people will buy more, won't they? But it'll push inflation up higher. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, okay. Anyway, that's the oil. Well, there you go. That's all those pairs today. And yes, the Aussie is coming off. See how far though. All right. Let's see. We will be able to notice tomorrow, I think. Later in my day.
I'm
Anyway.
hoping NCAD's going to continue pushing.
Yeah.
I'm still in that.
It's good. Well, you're only in about half a dozen or something.
5.
Yeah, 5 trades. Yeah, okay. All right. I'm about to enter into a few today. See how we go. Anyway, Darren, our feelings are with you, mate.
Yeah.
We're trying to will Euro USD down.
Yeah. You should really
It'll-
just let it do its thing, um, start interfering with these things every time they get into drawdown. It's never going to work, is it? You've sort of got to let it.
Well, let me put it this way: 20%, as far as I'm concerned, isn't that much.
No. But
So,
because I know this is quite an aggressive martingale, I know this could go up very, very quickly.
yeah. And I'm not disagreeing with you. I'm just saying though, 20% is, if you're letting an EA, is not that much, and
No, it's not.
and you can get up to 50% really
Yeah.
quickly.
Yeah, that's right.
So, yeah. Anyway, let's
I've talked
Let's-
around it. I'll probably just not do anything with it and just let it do its thing. That's what it's there for. So
See what happens.
see what happens.
All right then.
All right.
Okay. Till tomorrow. We'll find out what goes on. And you can update us in the chat anyway, what happens. But I'll see if I get some time today to.
I'm going to say don't do anything. I would probably turn it off before the interest rate news. Just
Right, yeah.
So everything's set with the TPs, but it's not going to open any more positions because I think that could
Yeah.
be
Yeah, it could just rock it off,
that
couldn't
could
it?
just be chaotic if
Yeah.
it starts spiking all over the place
Or not.
or not.
Yeah.
Well, you've got to think it's built in now. You know, they're anticipating this cut.
Yeah.
Yeah,
They've
but
been
you also
pushed.
got to put into consideration that the computer is going to think far faster than we do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Therefore, even if it does go one direction and loses, it's going to turn around and automatically set a trade the other direction.
Yeah.
So it's like, again, either you trust the machine to do the machine work, or you're just trading it.
Yeah.
Maybe you're doing both.
Yeah. Mixture of both.
Anyway, no,
All right.
let's see how you go.
All right then.
We'll find out in the wash. Time will tell.
It will indeed.
All right then. See you,
All right.
gentlemen.
See
All
you.
right, take care, guys.
Cheers.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.